All right, I'm an exotic plant collector, so I have some wants in my life. Number one, I'm just gonna shout it out. I'm gonna shout this to the universe. I want at least an acre of. I want an acre full of glass, just a glass greenhouse, an acre of empty space under glass where I could put whatever I want to put in there, whatever plant I want to put in there, along with like lacewing flies, just to eat any pests that might be showing up around. And put pollinators in there, butterflies in there, maybe some birds or something like that. I don't know, but I want an acre of greenhouse. But also, I want to talk about 5 plants that are on my wish list that I want today. Today, I want them. Hallelujah. Keep watching. All right, my name is Gerard. I'm an exotic plant collector, and I use this channel to talk about plants, plant care, and tips, so you can better understand your plants and stuff like that. And I just hope that this channel is just putting out information out there. So if you haven't seen this channel before, please hit that like and subscribe button. I appreciate your support. I just talk about plant care and plant tips, so I would like to be your source for that information. And you can also see what I'm doing with my plants, so check my past videos and then you'll be alerted to my newest videos. So hit that like and subscribe button, plus that bell notification to get notifications of my videos whenever I drop them. Now, yes, let's get into it. I wanted to say it out here because I'll probably be getting these plants. I don't know how fast I'll be getting them, but I'll be getting them. But I'm going to start out with number 1 is the strawberry shake philodendron. It's like, has a couple names, but I'm just going to say specifically the strawberry shake philodendron. Its variegation is a little bit more, I would say, extravagant than the pink princess. The pink princess is a beautiful plant. Yes, I'm not going to say it's not, but the strawberry shake for right now is one of those plants that I can't get my hands on. I've been looking for about a year now, ever since I learned about it. Those prices for the strawberry shake, I mean, just hold up and tell you what's going on. Average cost of a strawberry shake in the US is probably, for a plant with good size variegation, like you're seeing a lot of variegation, you're seeing white, you're seeing pink, you're seeing red, you're seeing, what else does it give you? Gives you like a little bit of dark hues, like a cherry, but just looks like a strawberry shake. Technically, that's why they call it a strawberry shake. But yeah, you could probably see these plants between like $300 to $500, almost to $1,000. Yeah, these are one of those plants that at this time, like, the prices of them are extremely high. You can sometimes get somebody selling cuttings for cheaper, but it's out there. So a lot of people are getting them in the US. I'm not sure where it originated from. I just know I want it, and I will be getting it soon. But that's number 1 on my top list, is the strawberry shake philodendron. Number 2 on my list that I'm hunting for and gunning for is the yellow Splash Monstera deliciosa. I have the Thai constellation. I got the Albo. I got the regular all green deliciosa, but I'm looking for the yellow Splash. I want the yellow Splash because it's yellow. It's a different color. What's better than like different color Monstera albos, deliciosas? That's just one of those plants that I don't have in my collection, so I need it. 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 I like this one. So yeah, I'm looking for the yellow Splash. That's such a hot, sexy plant. I just can't say enough about the Monsteras and how big they get. And then when it has that yellow Splash variegation, something else. But that's number 2. Number 2 is the yellow Splash Monstera deliciosa. Number 3 is like, I'm not too crazy about it because I'm really turned off with the price. I'm not going to spend $1,000 on one plant. But I would buy if it got to a reasonable price and up my alley is the Swiss cheese Adonsii, the variegated Swiss cheese Adonsii. I would buy it. I would buy it when it gets to like a real reasonable price. I know I have Swiss cheese Adonsis that are not variegated, how fast they grow. That would entice me, but still the price is just way too high. I love the variegation, the full white. I don't really like the mint Adonsii or the there's another one, I forgot what other type, but I want the full white to green Monstera Adonsii, Swiss cheese Adonsii. I want that full white one. That's number 3, but it's not a strong number 3 just because of the price. I'm just saying, I've still see people trying to sell them for like $1,000 to $2,000, and I believe that the variegation is still not stable in that plant, so that's another turn off. That unstable variegated plants are not sexy to me. It's just one of those things that it just could go away. So why would you want that? But that's number 3. Number 4 is something I've been looking at. It's actually I've been looking at a couple sites. There's a couple people that have them in the U.S. and there's a couple people that have them all throughout the world. That's the Luxurian Anthurium, the Luxurians. That plant right there, the name is just, it's a luxurious plant. It's just something that a collector has to have in his collection. So that's why I'm telling you I have to have it, because I don't have it at this present time. But I'm definitely looking for a price that's like comfortably around, I don't want to say, I'm not even going to say, but I want something that's like moderately priced, that's not too small, not too big. I know those plants are going to get big. I don't think I even have the spot for it, but I'm looking for the Luxurian Anthurium. So that's number 4. That's number 4, and at a still, and it's not like a really crazy want because of the price, man. It's just weird. Sometimes the prices do turn me off about certain plants. It's just like, come on, man. It's the price of a car. So number 5 is a plant that is. So I like this plant, but I've always, I'm just scared of the plant, but I like the way it looks. It's the Joepii or Joepii. I'm not sure how to say it, but the Joepii Philodendron that has like these really extremely long leaves. It's just a crazy form. Looks like something out of, I don't know. It's just a piece of art. It's living art, and I'm really wanting one. But the prices of that is like, you can see like prices for like 500, maybe even better, 2,000, just because they're so big. But that's one of those really high class plants that it's not even variegated, but it still commands that type of price tag for, in the plant world. So it's kind of like a strong 5, but I'm really looking for that strawberry shake, to be honest with you. The Joepii, I would love it to fall on my doorstep, sometime in the near future. But if it doesn't, I'm not going to lose sleep over it. But it is what it is. But that's all I got for you. Those are my top 5 wish list plants of 2021. Hopefully I can, make that very smaller in the number size, but that's just what I got right now. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video. If you have those plants, if you want to make a deal, let me know. I would appreciate the dialogue in the comments. Once again, my name is Gerard. I'm an exotic plant collector, and keep growing.